Hello y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, subscribe, like, comment and click on the notification bell. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create a game app with Appcreator24. But I posted this video earlier, but I was just a little busy with work. So without wasting time, let me hop into it. Once you get to the website, just like you already have an account, so you click on create an app. I showed you how to build a web app in my last video. So once it loads up, you click the name of your game. Let me use Basketball Mania. Then just like the usual, you click on choose from gallery. You can add your own custom you can add your own icon. So for me, I prefer choosing my own icon from here. And on the description, add game app. You can input any text you want to input. It's all on you. So after all this, just click on save. So you basically have to wait for it to save. So you're sorry about the noises in the background. It's just been a busy day and everyone's trying to get home. So it's dark outside, so everyone's trying to get home. Once this page pops up, what you have to do is you click on the black icon, the black page. That's what we're going to be using. So since you can check over here, you won't see the game, anything related to game here. The only thing you can see is chat, social network, web app, blog app. You don't see anything about games here. You don't see any game app here. So what you're going to do is you go back to apps. Yeah, so you click on the game again, Basketball Mania. So when the functions pop up, so you go to sections, you click on sections, click on create sections. Then here, this is where you get the option that you need. You can see lots of options, but what we're going to be doing today is game. So you click on game. You can create your audio app, video app. So once this page pops up, you enter the name of your game, Basketball Mania. Then you click on select. So this is the list of games you can add to your app. These are lists of games. There are lots of lists of games, endless list of games. So it depends on the kind of game you want to create for your app. So our name of our app is Basketball Mania. So we're going to look for game related to basketball. You have Flick Basketball here. You have Basketball Legend. So I think I'm going to go with Basketball Legend. Then once you're done, you don't have to click anything here. You don't have to input any options here. So what you're just going to do is once you get the game you want, click on save. So it will bring out a message like this. So in order to get rid of this message, all you need to do is click on design, go to menu type, then click on without menu and enter save. So like I was telling you, you can monetize your app with this website, your Google ad mode, Unity ads, lots of ads. You can monetize your app with it. So if you're interested in monetizing your app, once an app that is monetized, you want to be paid by Google or Unity ads or AdNext, you can comment on the video down below with your email. Just comment on the video if you're interested, and I can help you out with that. I can help you out to monetize your app so that you'll be paid by AdMob, Google AdMob. I help people out with that. So once you click on download, just like I said, you can use your phone and scan the code, or you can actually build this app on your phone by going to the website, the Appcreator24 website. So once you install the app to your phone, then you start playing the game. I'm sorry I don't have time to show you how the game looks like. I just wanted to make this video a little shorter without wasting you people's time. So if this video was really a help to you, I would really appreciate if you like, subscribe, and if you want to be notified when I post contents like this, you really need to click on the notification bell